here's my reflection for a little bit of OOTD. So this is our hotel. There are 2 nipa huts there. That's where Honor usually stays. And this is the view from downstairs. And it's very hilly here. So yeah, let's look for Honor. When you go inside, this is how it looks like. Then there's this part here. I guess this is where you can eat, have breakfast. Or it's like a private room, I'm not really sure. There are a lot of private rooms here. I like this place actually. This one. Ooh, I actually want to do a makeup tutorial here. Nice. I honestly don't know where we're going. And this is our Grab. They're gonna use a car. Wow, that is breathtaking. Look at that. Love.
Pero sinabot ko lang sa ito kami.
Wow. We are now in the sky. Yeah.
May traffic na, 2 oras bago makakita na.
Bro, are you joking? Inside clouds you're walking, huh?
It's crazy. It's so amazing. Dito lang. I know. are here at... What's the name of this place, love? Cafe in the Sky. Wow. Cafe in the Sky. So I'm just walking now. Just gonna give you guys a little tour. Here's an overview. It's Mom and PJ taking photos. So this is it. This is Cafe in the Sky, and I think we're gonna have lunch here. And this is the view. You can't even see the city anymore. We're on top of the sky. Wow. So yeah, I love it. It's not too cold, which is great because I'm sick already. Really, wow. I love this place. Love. Hi. Guys, check out the fog here.
Ay, meron silang mga ano dito. Strawberry.
You'll be staying here for 2 months. Oh, 2 months. That's a long time. Because they said it's like super less stressful here. What can you say about the place?
Incredible.
Incredible, amazing.
But really, in my life, best place.
Hmm?
In my life, best.
Yeah, it is. Look at the. Look at that. It's like heaven.
Bulalo ang available.
Oh,
O, at saka pork sinigang.
PJ, say hi to the vlog.
Yung may sabaw. Yung may sabaw. Traffic.
Breakfast.
Dito, no? 3 years ago.
I ordered beef with oyster sauce and fried chicken rice.
Solong-solo natin.
Do they have coffee or something?
Yeah. Wonderful.
Where?
Kasi kung marami dito, yung ingay.
Namin? PG niya ba yun?
Save charge.
Look at his eyes. Hi. Wow. Look at his eyes. Love.
Hindi nandun.
He know proper table to eat.
I want to see your eyes. Black Forest, iced and blended. Black Forest. What will you order, Mom? Where heaven meets earth. That's their tagline. Where heaven
Ready
meets
naman,
earth.
this is 7 eh.
Yeah. Hero
For heaven.
meets earth.
Serving ah. May itlog.
Beef with oyster.
rice, fried chicken.
This one.
Kanina yan.
Fried chicken rice po.
Parang gusto ko rin yung beef with oyster.
Ako, parang gusto ko rin yung beef.
May sky rice po kayo, ma'am?
Sky rice yan, akin.
What I ordered oyster,
Nakakaya pa rin to sa
beef with
tourist
oyster,
agency. Alam mo
and
yung mga tourist ano yan.
this is for chicken, fried chicken.
Ma'am, is stir fried?
Yan ba yung platter? Vegetable
Opo.
platter?
Yung chop suey.
Chop suey.
Yan po,
Eh,
chop
yung
suey.
gusto ko yun.
Yan ba yung vegetable platter? Hindi.
Yes,
Ba yun?
yan po, sir.
Diyan ba galing yun?
Opo, tanim dito.
Ah, okay.
Yung ano na lang, yung additional na lang ninyo, ma'am.
Yung ganito. Ito.
Yung beef with oyster.
Oo. Amoy pa lang mukhang masarap.
Gotcha. Eat na.
Parang ba yun? Masarap yun.
Michelle.
Isa lang may panda pa.
Bear. Cute panda. Is it panda or bear?
Kaya siguro.
It looks like a bear. Can you see? Cute.
Mas na muna na ito.
Okay yun eh.
So yung skyres mo.
Cute. There's a face. Hi. Cute. Wow, nice eyes.
If dog have eyes like that, so expensive.
I know. Super nice cat. Oh, it started raining. So after this, we're going to Camp John Hay, and whoa, it's raining. There's a spider on my screen. Bag. So this is Cafe in the Sky inside. So as you can see, there are no people because not a lot of people get to come here. This is Cafe in the Sky. Show you inside. No people at all. Only us. Okay, so we're back here at the hotel. So yesterday we were on our way home, and
Just relax.
yeah, just relax. And suddenly there was strong rain, and we had to postpone going home because it was dangerous. Like even our dad tried to stop us. He said that you can't go home now, so you definitely need to stay in a hotel again.
What,
So
that Kali?
yeah,
Really?
we ended up staying here again. And today, before going home, actually going home in a few minutes, but around 10 we went to Burnham Park, and we rode the pedal boat, like the small pedal boat, and they were like swan pedal boats
Before
and
you
stuff,
come
like
out
in the
also.
like I'm not sure if it's a man-made lake or what, if it's natural, but it was really fun, and we had a nice time walking around, and there's a bazaar there. So we returned here after that, and we're just waiting for 12:30, and then we were gonna pack, and then I'm just gonna show you our view from this Nipa hut. This is our view now.
So nice.
Yeah. And one more view here. This is my view.
I'm so relaxing with the coffee.
This handsome man.
Hi guys, this is Girafash.
I will show you his eyes because I really love his eyes. Can you look at the camera now? Whoa. You said you have greenish,
Really?
brownish eyes.
In light?
Wait, I will zoom in. Don't move. Okay, 1, 2.
I need to look like light.
Yeah, I love your eyes, talaga. Look at the camera.
You always say black, like brown.
Yeah, I thought it was dark, you know, but it's like,
You know my story I tell you.
yeah. Guys, comment down below if smoking is bad for the health. And comment down below if Honor needs to stop.
But it is you who can stop. Of course.
Everything is view for you, love. Even garbage can. If you see a garbage can, you'll say, love, there's a garbage can in front of me. I need to smoke. Love, but I just finished eating. I need to smoke.
Yeah.
Love, I just need to walk, and it's so nice to smoke. So
I'm so tired of smoke. I'm so happy to smoke.
are you enjoying your coffee?
Super. Coffee and smoke. Of course, smoke price never will start. Really dangerous.
Love, smile for the photo. Wait, love, smile for the love, smile for the picture.
If this video, you know.
No, it's not. Smile. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Video?
Yeah.
Video.
How did you know?
Because lens zoom in.
Really? But I'm trying to zoom your face. My lips are so chapped. I don't know why.
So, after 25 minutes, you will leave here. What do you feel?
I feel sad. I want to stay more, but we need to return home. And no one even knows that I'm here. Not even one friend. Because
We not much used
we
here
didn't
internet,
use
right?
internet. And yeah, my internet was off most of the time.
Mm,
So
yeah. You give yourself complete nature,
yeah.
but you have many photos and videos to show.
Oh, it looks different. Oh yeah, it's the same. This is the hotel,
What's that?
Manhattan Suites.
Nice pad.
Actually, guys, this is Honor's favorite spot in this hotel. This Nipa Hut.
Sure.
We slept like 2 hours or 3 hours.
3 hours.
Has a secret or a technique when you're traveling with like very little sleep. Is there like a medicine or like a strategy so that you'll feel energetic throughout the day? Because you know it's gonna be like long travel going home. Yeah, I know that a lot of people are gonna say you just sleep in the car. But what if you can't sleep in the car? Is there any techniques to relax or to
Drunk.
yeah drunk?
Yeah, you will get
No,
alcohol.
you're gonna vomit. Like I'm gonna get car sick definitely if I travel drunk.
Well, alcohol nothing for me. I can drink
Someone
many.
was drunk last night. Someone vomited.
Okay, guys. Good night.
Really?
Yeah.
And but my strategy is I bring mint with me, and it helps me a lot. And Honor,
So also you still keep our medicine?
yeah, I have like 4 different brands of mint in my bag.
No, this is for normal medicine for car.
Yeah, I have it. You actually forgot about it.
Yeah. I need to drink also. Oh no!
Are you okay?
Oh no! I cannot.
Okay, guys, he's not feeling well, so we need to pause the camera now.